Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Here's a subject that sometimes confuses people, so let's clarify the difference. What's the difference between a manufacturer's warranty and an extended vehicle warranty or service contract? A manufacturer's warranty is different from an extended warranty or service contract in a few ways, including what it covers, how long it lasts, how much it costs you, and whether you can cancel. A manufacturer's warranty generally covers manufacturer defects or failures for a period of time after purchase and is automatically included when you purchase the vehicle. Extended warranties are an optional add-on. Keep in mind, optional add-on. That means you're going to pay for this. That covers defects or failures that are not covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Service contracts or prepaid maintenance plans are additional add-on products that cover regular maintenance or other service needs. There are several important differences between a car's manufacturer warranty and an extended warranty. If you're buying a new car in this day and age of technology, by all means, there should be no reason for you to buy an extended warranty. The vehicle should have a life of warranty-free problems for 3 to 5 years. Warranties are typically provided by auto manufacturers when you purchase a new car or vehicle. These warranties will cover certain issues due to a defect or failure. Well, if there's a defect or a failure, there's a likelihood that there'll be a recall and last for a certain period of time or up until a specific number of miles have been driven. Warranties may also cover used cars if the time or mileage limits haven't yet been reached. They generally do not cover the cost of routine maintenance or parts that wear due to normal wear and tear. Extended warranties, on the other hand, extended warranties or service contracts are optional add-on products often sold by dealerships for an additional cost, generally very expensive. Extended warranties are optional add-on products that cannot normally be required, and the cost can be negotiated when you purchase your vehicle. These warranties provide protection on certain mechanical and electrical components not covered by the manufacturer's warranty, but they typically exclude routine maintenance, such as oil changes and tire replacement. Be careful here. Make sure you understand the difference between maintenance and what this warranty, extended warranty, will cover. They can be expensive, and the coverage varies. You may also be able to purchase them after you purchase the car from the dealer or a third party. Products often have eligibility restrictions and based on consumers' individual circumstances may not provide value. In other words, they're a waste of money. In my opinion, they're a waste of money. When deciding whether to purchase an extended warranty, you should review the contract carefully and consider the following. The cost of the extended warranty. You should negotiate the price. The length of the extended warranty. Extend it as long as you can. What types of problems or repairs are covered? Look, they're going to throw a boilerplate contract in front of you. You can always modify, alter the language. What problems are not covered? How you plan to use your vehicle. Finally, check whether the coverage of the extended warranty or service contract overlaps with the problems and time periods the manufacturer's warranty covers to avoid paying for unneeded coverage. You may find that any additional coverage is not worth the additional cost. This article will be posted below. If you want a link to any of this information, I'll have videos on all this stuff. You can go on my website, Frugal Finance at YouTube, and just do a search. You'll be able to find related type information. Service contracts and prepaid maintenance plans spread the cost of expected maintenance service over time rather than paying for them as needed. These are optional and may be offered to you at the dealer along with other optional products. A dealer is going to try to throw in everything, including the kitchen sink. For the most part, they're expensive. The plan may require you to take the car back to the dealer for service rather than to a mechanic of your choice, which may be inconvenient and expensive. You should understand what they cover and determine whether the cost of paying for these services yourself might be cheaper. You might also be able to set aside money every month to pay for maintenance or repairs. You have the right to cancel these add-on products at any time and reduce your costs. Know what is negotiable. Did you know that you can negotiate the term of your auto loan? Negotiations can save you hundreds or thousands of dollars. Again, all this stuff will be available if you link below. Comment. Let me know if you have an extended warranty and then you went in, you thought was covered. And again, companies are going to dodge. They're going to weave. They're going to make up excuses and they're not going to cover whatever you thought the warranty or service contract implied. Let me know if this helped. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. See you soon.